Filipino.
Gawain to, Pilipino. Okay? Pagkilala sa tunog ng titik, wa, W. What is that titik?
Wa.
What is it in English? W. Okay? Pakinggan ang huling tunog ng sumusunod na mga salita. Kalabaw. Islaw. Did you hear the word W? Kalabaw. Islaw. Isang araw. Ang mga ito ay may tunog na W. This wa. Okay? Kilalanin ang mga larawan. Pakinggan kung saan maririnig ang W, ang wa. Sa unahan ba? Sa gitna? O sa hulihan? Lagyan ng check ang tamang kahon. Tamang kahon, box. Okay? Okay. Otso. Otso. Next. Langaw. Next. Walis. 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 Next. Tawa. Tawa. Okay, next. Sawa. 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 Next. Ano to? Police. 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 Sisiw. 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 Larawan. Larawan. Okay, next. Pagsasanay sa pagbasa. Basahin ng marahan ang mga salita. A. Basahin mo si Kaina. Louder, okay? I'm here.
Okay.
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 Start na.
Yeah.
Si.
Siu.
Next.
Diu.
Giliw.
Diu.
Next.
Wata. Wata.
What's the next?
Wata.
Wata. This one.
What?
Okay, read.
Wata. What?
Okay, next.
Ta. Ka. What? Yo.
Wal.
Wow.
Kawal. It's L. Kawal. Again.
Wow.
Wal.
Wow.
Kawal.
Wow.
Next.
Yaw.
Next.
Row.
Red.
Raw.
It's A.
Raw.
Araw. Where's the araw? Ano ngayon? Gabi o araw? Okay, next. Letter B. Basahin ang mga ng maraan ngunit may impit ang mga salita. Gayahin ang guro. Sabihin mo, lawa. Lawa.
Yawa.
Lawa.
Yawa.
Kawa.
Tawa.
Kawali.
Tawi.
Kawali.
Tawawi.
Kawali.
Hui.
Wa. Ka, wa, li.
Ta, ya, hui.
Wa.
Wa.
Ka,
Ta, wa, i. Nga.
nag.
Nad. Sa, wa.
Very good. Basahin ng mabilis ang mga salita. Gayahin ang guro. 8.
Wayo.
Next. Wa.
Wa.
Do you know this word? Walis.
Wais.
You know, opposite, it should be high. Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Ga, it's high. Ga, law.
Law.
Ga,
Galaw.
law. This one. A, liw. It's a.
Are you?
Na, a, liw.
Now are you?
B, you see this have this apostrophe. B, tiw.
Be kill.
Bomitiw.
Bomitiw.
Okay. Basahin ng mabilis, ngunit maimpit ang mga salita. Gayahin ang guro. Wala.
Wa. Ya.
Wala.
Waya.
You know this too? You have to make it high in O, okay? Was to.
Was. To.
Sawa.
Sawa.
This high, okay? Kaliwa.
Tahiwa.
Very good. Na basahin ng malakas ang mga parilala. Basahin mo ng malakas. Okay? Louder. Na,
Na. I.
li,
Do. Sha. Ya. Wa.
to,
Na. Ta. To.
kot,
Tot. Sha. Pa.
pat.
Pat. Pat.
Yes. Pat, pat. Because they say like this. Natakot sa pat, pat. Okay. Number
Hurt
3.
my ears.
I'm sorry. Because I make high. Because I say louder. I say malakas. Make high. That's why I make high my voice.
Oten.
Next. Nag,
Nad. Tad.
ka,
Ta. Pi.
pa, lit,
It.
ng,
Nan. Ba. Ya.
balat.
Baya.
Next.
Ayas one.
Next. Alin dito ang salitang kilos? Lagyan ng check. Salitang kilos. Ano si kilos? Action o kilos. Okay? Lagyan ng ikis ang hindi salitang kilos. Okay? Ikis kung hindi
What
salitang
is chaos mean?
kilos means move.
And
is
what
that-
is X? When we put X.
X means it doesn't say it's not moving. It's not action. It's name of person, name of things, but not action. Like jump. Okay, that is action. That is
Okay.
kilos. Okay. Nagwalis. Check or wrong. Is that kilos? Umawit. Is that kilos or hindi?
What is Oma?
Umawit. La 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 la. Umawit. You're singing. Umawit. Araw-araw. Is that kilos every day? Okay. X. It's not action. It's just day. Okay? It's not action. It's the day. Right?
Net.
Naglakad. Oh, you know what is naglakad? You're walking. Kalabaw. Kalabaw. It's like an animal. You know this kalabaw? This kalabaw.
No.
I let you show. This is kalabaw. You show here. I let you show kalabaw. Next. Sumingaw. It just evaporate. The smoke evaporate. Larawan. Larawan, picture. Is that kilos o hindi? Is that action, larawan?
Sometimes he move.
No, pictures. The pictures moving. These pictures. Tumalon. Tumakbo. Wasto. Wasto means okay. Is that kilos? No, it's only a word. Next. Pause. Bilugin ang tamang kilos para mabuo ang pangungusap. Okay, basahin mo number 1. Read. You will circle the answer here, okay? Read.
Give me.
Number 1, read first.
Nga.
Ang. Okay na. Ang.
N.
What N? Ang.
So.
It's A. I. Again. Ang aso ay. Again.
So I.
Slowly. Ang.
So I.
Tumahol.
To my hole. Me.
Yak.
Yat.
Umiyak.
Me. Yat.
Umiyak. There's no more.
Crying.
Okay. Sige, what's the answer? Ang aso ay tumahol, umiyak. What's the answer? Okay, circle. Circle, not a line, okay? Okay, read again. Read number 1, if that's correct.
An.
Not an. Not ang.
Ang aso. Ay.
Again, ang.
An aso ay.
Two. It's T. Two.
Yon.
Hole. Hole. Again. Again. Ang aso ay tumahol. Number 2. Awat nang. It's the look man. Ang. Next. Ang. I.
Ibon.
Nag. Kad. Naglakad.
Yatad.
Next.
Lu.
Lu.
Pad.
Lu.
Pad.
Ang ibon ay naglakad, lumipad. What's the correct? Ang ibon ay naglalakad?
What is ibon?
Ibon is bird. What's this? Okay. Read your answer. Read everything.
What is this?
Lumipad. You know what is lumipad?
I don't know.
Lumipad is... lumipad. What is lumipad? In English. Fly. Lumipad ang ibon ng mataas. Okay, next. Again, read. What is ibon? What is ibon?
Bird.
Okay, read. An
ibon ay
pad.
pad.
Lumipad ang ibon. Okay? Next, number 3.
Na.
Ang.
An.
Why you put, it's this N or, it's A. Ang. Ang. Ang.
An.
Not an. Ang. Ang.
Ang.
Ang.
Ang.
Okay, next. Ang araw.
Ang araw ay
Don't do it. Don't play your mouth. Chikay na.
okay,
Don't look in the here, not in the mirror, in the phone. Ang araw ay
ang araw ay
pumikit.
puwit.
Ang araw ay gumanyan. You know what is araw? Sun. Ang sun ay pumikit like that. Or read. Read first. Su.
Mi tit.
Cat. It's A.
Tat.
Sumikat. Again.
Omita.
What is sumikat? It's shine.
Shining
Okay.
in the sky.
Okay. Read again. Read your complete answer. Ang.
Ang
Ang.
ang
Ang. Ang. Araw.
ayaw ay sa
It's not.
mi ta
Cat.
tat
Sumikat.
sumitat.
Number 4. Read. Ang. It's say a. Say a.
Ang
Say first a. Not not say ang. Say solely a. Say a. Ang. Ang. Okay, like that. Ang. Not an again. Ang. Ang. Okay. Okay, next. Ang dahon.
ang dahon
Correct.
ay di
Go.
du ma ya
Law. Gumalaw.
dumayaw su mi daw
Gaw. You know what is dahon? Leaves.
okay. And what is this?
Gumalaw meaning it move. The leaves move. Adis sa sumigaw is shout. Is the leaves shout?
What is shout?
Sumi shout. Ha! The leaves can talk. Like that because he's shouting. So, what's the leaves do? Ang dahon ay gumalaw. It move. The plant, the leaves move like that because of the wind. What? So, gumalaw. So, read your complete answer. Ang
dahon ay dayaw
go.
duyaw
Slowly. Go.
mayaw
Gumalaw means it move. Why the leaves move? Tell me. Why the leaves move? Because of what? Because of how the leaves move? Because of the blow of the
wind.
or a person shake it. Correct?
Yeah.
That's why the leaves move. Is the leaves shout?
No.
Sumisigaw ang
No,
leaves?
only people.
Is the leaves have shout? No, it does. But it creates sound like shh because of the wind. Like this. Correct? Like that. It's like a leaves. Okay? There's a shaking because of the wind. But it doesn't shout. It produces sound only. Right? Let's see. Next, number 5. Ang
How is this? Number 5.
read. Ang
Ang
mga
mana is
isda. Ang mga isda.
isda.
What is isda? Fish. Okay. Again, ang mga.
Ang mana is
Slowly. Ang mga.
Ang mana it's the I you ma ngang
Ngoy.
noi so
Su.
su
Su.
ma
Yaw.
yaw
Okay, what's the answer? Ang mga isda ay lumangoy o sumayaw.
what is that?
What is isda?
What is this?
Lumangoy mean lumangoy. So what is that? Swim. And about this one. So what is this? Sumayaw. What is sumayaw?
Sumayaw.
Yeah. Dance. Is the swim dancing or
But
lumalangoy?
some fish in Batan movie the fish
It's not real. It's only movie.
yes that's in the air.
Yeah. But that's not real. The real one, it's just singing or just only swimming. Okay. Lumalangoy o sumasayaw? Lumalangoy. Okay. Number 6.
I done na.
Okay. Finish. Number 6 na. Ang. Next.
Kaya bow to me.
Ang kalabaw. Again.
Ang kalabaw.
Ay.
Ngad pa hi ngang
Nga.
ngang
Nagpahinga.
mapiya
Next.
nang
Nag.
ngang ta
Nim.
yim.
Ang kalabaw ay
What is that?
nagtanim mini plant. Is the kalawa make plant or rest? Nagpahinga.
Rest.
So what's the answer? Nagpahinga. Oh, wait. This is nagpahinga. Yun ang pahinga? Magpahinga si Kaina. Relax. What is kalabaw? That's Carabao, okay? He make relax or he make relax. Nagpahinga, okay?
Done na.
Sige, finish na. Pause.
Baba.